Growing up as a kid, my mum would always make me pancakes on special occasions. And not just any pancakes, but banana pancakes. I'm here at Leeming IGA, a local WA family-owned business with a community focus and dedication to fresh produce. Today is National Banana Day, and I'm on the hunt for some Australian bananas. All right, Reece, so tell me more about the All Foods market at Leeming IGA experience and what the locals love so much about it.
Yeah, definitely. So look, as I say, we've been in the local community for about 15 years now. I think it's really just our fresh range. The Canning Vale market's down the road, sort of allows us to get fresh produce in daily. It's just a community experience. Come down, get a coffee, chat to sort of family, neighbours, friends. It's what everyone loves.
So IGA supermarkets are independently owned.
Yep.
Tell me what it is for you to be part of that brand.
Yeah, look, it just gives us the opportunity, being independent, sort of, I guess, be agile and sort of unique in our range. So partnering with sort of direct WA suppliers gives us that sort of local lines all year round.
So Reece, I don't know if you know, but today is National Banana Day.
It is.
Tell me how to pick a good banana.
Yeah, look, I keep things fairly simple. I think anything with a bright, plump colour is ready to eat. If you want anything to last a couple of days, a bit of a green tinge, but you can't really go wrong with a local banana at the moment.
It's time to start cooking. We've got a special guest waiting in the kitchen. Let's go meet him. Today I've got Wildcats player Jesse Wagstaff here. So I'm going to make him some healthy vegan banana pancakes with a little treat of caramel sauce. So Jesse, I'm going to show you how to make my vegan banana pancakes. How do you feel about making some pancakes?
Mate, I mean, we have them every Sunday morning.
Do you?
Except
Yeah.
they're probably not
as many ingredients?
And not as healthy, I would assume. We have probably a lot more sugar, so
Yeah,
I mean,
there's a bit of sugar here, but I think for me, the natural sugar comes from the banana, which is such a winner for this one. I think before we make the pancakes, what I might do is just show you how to make a really simple coconut caramel. So basically all I'm doing is adding in some brown sugar into a pan. I've got some coconut milk, a pinch of salt. That's basically it. I'm just gonna give that a mix and just let it simmer for like 20-ish minutes. But whilst that's cooking, we're gonna move on to our pancakes. And what I might get you to do is mash some bananas. So let's go 2 bananas. What I do have here is some flour. We have some caster sugar. We also have some cinnamon, baking powder, and I'm gonna give that a good little mix.
I think
it looks good. It looks good.
I'm done.
Yeah, I think
You're
that
the
looks good. And we've got some oat milk, so I'll get you to put that in.
Yeah, we can do that.
We've also got a bit of coconut oil and vanilla extract. So I'm going to add this dry mix into the wet mix. I'm going to get you to mix it.
Can do. There we are.
Awesome, that looks good. So the pan is nice and hot. I'm going to drizzle in a little bit of coconut oil. In terms of portion size, it's really, up to you.
Make a big one.
Make a big one, yeah.
Love it.
So I might get you to make some more.
Oh no. Oh no. That'll do.
That looks good. Right. So you can see the edges are dry, the bubbles are coming through.
You want to flip the first? Oh,
do you want me to flip the first one?
Yeah. I want to stuff it up.
There we go.
Didn't even need to flip it. There we are. All right.
All yours. Nice.
I'll do this one too.
Yeah, go for it.
There we are.
Awesome. Alrighty, so I reckon we're ready to plate up. Might get you to put a few slices of banana on top. There we go. Go for it. Just randomly scatter some.
Make it look pretty.
Yeah, it looks good. Might drizzle over a bit of caramel. How good does that look?
Delightful.
Just to finish, just a little bit of toasted coconut, which I think is really good for texture. All right, what do you reckon?
They look good.
Should we give it a go?
I'm in. Delightful. They might get a run on Sunday, I think.
I'm happy with that.
They're good.
For this recipe, head to our website and look out for Australian bananas now in season in your local WA IGA supermarket.